Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we've got here is the Interpump W3018. The pump itself can deliver up to 300 bar at 17.6 litres. 3/4 inlet. Now you can use that side if you wanted to. There's nothing to stop you from using either side of the pump like normal. This has got a 3/4 feed. High pressure outlet at 3/8. Same again. Got the option of either side. 24mm shaft with keyway, oil sighting glass at this side, and you've also got the glass on this back end as well. 17mm nut at the back to drop the oil if you want to. The pump itself requires 14 horsepower to be able to run it. So you're talking a 10.43 kilowatt. Pump itself, only running, slow revving 1450 RPM pump. The kits that are going into this, if it's the valves itself, it's a 169 kit for the valves on the top and on the bottom. And obviously if the seals need replacing, it's the kit 180. Got the option on here as well if you wanted to. These are ports as well if you want to do anything else coming out the top side. Now that is the high pressure side, so if you took one of them out, pulsation damper, regulator to regulate the pressure, something else like on that side. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, the W3018 pump. Thank you.